Yeah, setting goals like, I'm gonna stop. One of the things, like, if people say things like I'm gonna stop eating junk food, or I'm gonna stop drinking, or I'm gonna stop doing this, something I always say is one of the ways that you make your life easier when you do something like that is saying what you will replace that thing with when you feel like you want to do it. Because to not do it often leaves people in this weirdly ambiguous space where they're kind of like, okay, well, I'm not doing it, but I all I can focus on is the fact that I want to. Whereas if you're like, okay, I want to do it, say it's like I want to eat junk food. I really want to eat some Flamin' Hot Cheetos right now, but I told myself that when I wanted to eat Flamin' Hot Cheetos, I was going to drink a glass of water and then eat a handful of almonds. And that way, you know where to direct your focus when your willpower is struggling or when your distress tolerance is relatively low. Very important with things like that. Most people, I know I say this a lot, but a lot of people do not think about what to replace certain things they don't want to do with. They just speak in terms of I'm either doing it or I'm not. So, word to the wise for anybody in here thinking about that. When you're talking about behavioral change, you have to replace the behavior with another behavior. Even if it's just I'm going to sit here, right? I'm going to twiddle my thumbs instead of eating Twinkies.